Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Today we are trying a new approach, like a friendly kind of a video. So, as you all know, this series is about solving the questions of the book, which are practice questions, and that will make stuff easy for you. So, because I will be giving you a summary of the particular chapter of what has been taught in that particular chapter, and similarly, we will be solving the question. So, in a way, you are kind of a revision, or if you want to just go through the book, I can be a source of it. And similarly, I just want to mention two things here. First thing is, if you are liking this video, please like it up, because if you click on the like button, I will get to know the feedback. If you have any feedback, I can please comment. And and I know that it might catch up later. The video can catch up later, and there might be comments. So I just want if some and then there will be some improvisation coming into picture that, sir, you could have done this, you could have done that. So I just want the people who are watching now to actively participate in this. And then in the comment section, I'll be mentioning two books of basically if you can get every book on there, and it will be beneficial for you. So I'll be mentioning two links in the description. You can go and check it out. So yeah, let's talk something about the input validation chapter. This was the 8th chapter of this book, and in this we were normally discussing about the input validation we normally do for any checks, and this chapter particularly, first they started with giving us a kind of an overview with a try and catch block in Python, try and except basically. And then they gave us a kind of a import package where it is called as py input plus, Python input plus. Basically it kind of handles everything from integer to number to email and all those things. So if you have not checked my regular expressions video, please go and check it out. The card is here and it will be helpful. It's a 28-minute long video where I tried to sum it up entire chapter, and it took me around 1 week to make that video because I was busy in all other work. So I will not entertain you guys with all my topics. I'll just move right into the explanation. Yeah, so input validation, we talked about py input plus, and we have to install it. It's not coming with Python, so we have to it's a third party app. We have to install it, and it actually takes care of everything. I will just show you one example. So today we discussed about sandwich maker. So sandwich maker, basically we go to a restaurant, we order some food, right? So when we order some food, suppose you go to a Subway, you will ask like what kind of bread you are having, what kind of a thing, non-veg or veg, do you want some lettuce in it, do you want tomato, and do you want some mayo, cheese types, and all those things. So we want to build a system like that, and that is why it will be coming that how we will build it, okay, in Python only. So there are n number of things you can write. So just I had tried to put something inside, and also I will be giving you the here and there answers, like you can do that, you can do this, okay. So let's start. So first what we will do is we will import the regular expressions one, and we will import the py input plus package, and then we will have three variables. So one will be the price, second will be the price calculator. Basically we will have a list where once the customer is putting his checks, menu like bread and all those things, we will be putting the list. In that list right now I'm putting the material or the bread he has selected or the ingredient he has selected, and the total cost, cumulative cost coming into picture. You can also put total cost and as well as the separate individual cost also, and here we are maintaining the ingredient and cost mapping. So let's start. First you can put anything, printing, I just put like welcome, please order your food. So then we go to bread, we take a variable bread where we give them a input like wheat, white, sourdough, or number 2. So if you see this input menu, it's a class of this Python input plus. So what we do in input menu is we give him the menu, and if you select outside anything else, it will not be considered. So number true means if there will be number 1, 2, 3. You can either select the name or the number. Then there will be limit also, timeout also. He has to check in 8 seconds or something. But here we are not putting, because a customer can take his time, right? He can be a confused one, and so that's what. So print, then we will put whatever thing he'll be choosing. So here what I'm doing is I'm incrementing the price. First the price will be null, then I'm just putting the price from the dictionary, price dictionary, and we will getting the price of the bread he has chosen. Then I am just appending that particular bread, the chosen ingredient, and then along with his price. So price will be always be cumulative price. Okay, so it will be like adding up the previous price also. Now coming to the type of second ingredient that we will be calling as protein. So he will have 4 options: chicken, turkey, ham and tofu. Same thing, number will be there, and then we will be doing the same operations here. So then we will be going to cheese. So cheese will be an optional character for them, that if they want or not. So if you see, we have used our last time regex expression, that the particular option should be yes, y, capital Y, caps and small. Okay, so it will be actually was supposed to be 8 cap. So I have done it just to show you, but the problem is, or the solution is, you don't need it. This input yes or no will take care of it automatically. That's the reason why in the second one I have not put it. Okay, I will explain you here, but here it will take care of it. But just for our own convenience, we want to know, okay, we have done some kind of coding in the last video, and I have done some kind of like going to regex and all those in the last week. So I wanted to use that knowledge here. So yeah, so if value is equals to true, then we go inside, we ask him like what kind. If he said cheese, yes, we'll ask him again cheddar, Swiss or mozzarella. Then we go and we do the same operation, we accumulate our price for that. Then we can go for mayo. Here we check, just ask him if he wants or not. If he wants it, then we just go and select it out. So if you see, I was trying to do it here, but then later I realized that let's try it out. Let's try this particular method. So whatever you choose from here, right, it will put it like YES. So it's always a good option for you. So then you will be going to price plus is equals to price dictionary dot get mayo. Same thing you will do. And this kind of operation you will do for mustard, lettuce, tomato. You can put olives, jalapenos, everything. But for our testing, I am just putting like this. Okay. So that is what it will be there. And the last one will be doing like, it's if a customer is coming with family, with a girlfriend, with a wife, or alone. So we want to ask him like how many do he want. And so here the minimum should be 1, right? And here also you can put like this. Okay, now he want this. Now again you can put it in a loop or something like that. If he wants to customize a second order, okay, that kind of a thing we can do. So all kind of, so if you go to code this stuff, no, but just code it a practice question manner, because if you want to make it a generic application, like a day-to-day application, there are a lot of things you have to take care of. So here again we are doing the price. Here I am just count. If suppose the price will be coming as 24, I am just counting the number of people he wants to order it for. Then the price calculation will be total price, and then we will print the price calculation. Also this will print what it will print is, it will print a whole summary from starting to end, that he has ordered this and the price and all those things, right? And then he will print that, okay, please pay this many dollars, because I'm putting 1 2 3. If I say please pay this much rupee, and he will be like on cloud 9 because it's very cheap for him. So yeah, this is a coding part. Let's go with the implementation part now. So now we come here, we ran our application. The application came into the first stop. It asked us what kind of bread we want. What we wanted was a wheat bread. So I am putting wheat or something. It will say as why this is not available, please ask for a different thing. So we go and we tell him like the right thing, which is wheat. Now we say, okay, you have a wheat, the bread is wheat, and you the price is $3 for that. Then he asks us, okay, just select one of the following in this one. So we go for a chicken one. So we will select 1 this time, just to show you. Okay, so nice choice, chicken, and then wheat is 3, protein was chicken. So chicken rate was also $3. So it was a cumulative price 6. That's the reason why I told you that you can put anything in the list you want. And do you want cheese with it? I will put yes. And it will ask us what cheese. I will be calling mozzarella. Okay. So I will call mozzarella here. and then it gave us like, okay, you are total is $8 right now. Do you want mayo with it? We'll say yes. Do you want mustard? We'll say yes. Do you want lettuce? We'll say no. And do you want tomato? We'll say no. How many do you want? We want 9 of it. Okay. So see, this is what the thing, like bread is 3, chicken is 6, mozzarella is 8, mayo is 9, means 1, 10, and number of sandwiches is 6. So the 10 into 9, 90, and please pay $90. Now let's do it again. Okay, now let's do it again. So now we go for the third option. We go for ham. I will not eat ham, but okay. Now we go for this time I want to be a miser person. I will not go cheese. I will not go mayo. I will not go mustard. I will not, and here everything nothing, nada. And I want a miser person. I will be very selfish today. I will be ordering one only. So please pay $3. I get my sandwich in $3. So yeah, that was it. You can put anything, as I told you, like you can put any validation, but this is a simple kind of input validation which we have put. Yeah. So guys, this was a small video. Please wait for a few seconds. Please listen to me. What I wanted is you to like this video. Go into the description, check out the books. If you want, subscribe it. Okay, because I know it takes a hell lot of effort to subscribe to a channel, but yeah, please like it up. Okay, sure. Thank you.